friends, my name is Desai Ittal Ashramik Vidyalaya Jilla Padi Standard 7 Subject English Chapter number 4 Part 2. Not long after that, the good old man dreamed again, and the spirit of the dog spoke to him. क्या हुआ उसके बाद कि नॉट लॉन्गर आफ्टर दैट गुड ओल्ड मैन कि जो ओल्ड दंपति थी, जो ओल्ड मैन और ओल्ड लेडी थी, तो उसकी जो भी घटना इवेंट प्रसंग हुआ उसका, और उसके पड़ोस के गांव में विलेज में जो भी उसके जैसे ही नेबर रहते थे, वहाँ जो भी घटना बनी उसके बारे में कौन बता रहा था? जो वो डॉग था। टेलिंग हिम कि हाउ द विकेड पीपल हैड बर्न the meal made from the pine tree. Take the ash of the meal, sprinkle them on the withered trees, and they will bloom again, said the dog spirit. क्या हुआ कि उस दिन dog appeared to him again in a dream and told him what had happened, adding if he would to take the ash of the burnt mortar and sprinkle them on withered. The old man awoke and went at once to his wicked neighbor's house. क्या हुआ कि ओल्ड मैन नींद से जागकर कहाँ गया? वो जो उसके दुष्ट पड़ोसी था उसके घर के आगे गया. Where he found a miserable old bear sitting at the edge of their square fireplace in the middle of the floor, smoking and spinning from time to time the worm, their hands and feet with the blaze from some bits of the meal, while behind them they lay a pile of the broken pieces. क्या हुआ उस दिन? First time of the loss of his mortar, ran weeping to the neighbor's house and begged them at any rate to give him back the ash of his treasure. The good old man humbly and asked for the ashes, though the couple turned up chair nose at him and scolded him as if he were thief. They let him fill his basket with the ashes. Of coming home, the old man took his wife into the garden. जब रिटर्न हुए तब ओल्ड मैन ने अपनी वाइफ की तरफ देखा. इट्स बीइंग विंटर. तब कौन सी सीजन चल रही थी? विंटर की. देयर फेवरेट चेरी ट्री वॉज बेयर. उसका फेवरेट ट्री कौन था? चेरी का. ही स्प्रिंकल्ड अ पिंच ऑफ एश ऑन इट एंड स्लो सो स्प्रूट blossoms until it became a cloud of pink plumes which perfumed the air. The news of this filled the village, and everyone ran out to see the wonder. वो जो ओल्ड वुमन और ओल्ड लेडी, जो ओल्ड कपल था, वो वहाँ से कहाँ से गुजर रहे थे? जो चेरी ट्री था वहाँ से गुजर रहे थे. तो चेरी का ट्री जो बीच में आया, तो वो ओल्ड मैन ने क्या किया? उसको चेरी के ट्री को क्या किया? पिंच किया. और पूरे आकाश में जो क्लाउड था वो कैसा दिख रहा था? पिंक कलर का. और चारों तरफ एयर में जो चेरी की स्मेल थी वो चारे सराउंडिंग्स जो तरफ कैसी हुई थी? स्प्रेड, फैली हुई थी. The couple also heard the story and gathering up the remaining ash of the meal kept them to make with the tree's blooms. The kind old man, hearing that his lord, the Hemio, was passed along the high road near the village, set out to see him, taking his basket of ash. As the train approached, he climbed up into an old man with a cherry tree that stood by the wayside. Now, in the days of Dymenians, it was the custom when their lord passed by for all the loyal people to shoot up their high windows. They even pasted them fast with a slip of paper so as not to commit the impertinence of looking down on his lordship. The train drew near. One tall, competent man marched ahead, crying out to people by the way, "Get down on your knees! Get down on your knees!" And everyone knelt down while the procession was passing. The train dear knew. वहाँ से क्या पसार हो रहा था? ट्रेन. जब ट्रेन पसार पास में गुजर रही थी तो वहाँ पे एक क्या कॉम्पिटेंट मैन, एक कॉम्पिटेंट होशियार क्लेवर पर्सन था. अब जो भी जिसका भी स्टेशन आता था वो क्या बोल रहा था कि यहाँ से उतरो, यहाँ से उतरो. Suddenly the leader of the van caught sight of the gateman in the tree. He was about to call out to him in an angry tone, but seeing he was such an old fellow, he pretended not to notice him and passed him by. So, when the drew near the old man taking a pinch off from his basket, scratched it over the tree. In a moment it burst into blues. The delighted Daimyo ordered the train to be stopped and go out to see the wonder. Calling the old man to him, he thanked him and ordered presents of silk robes, spong cake, fans, and other rewards to be given him. He even invited him to his castle. So the old man went gleefully home to share his joy with his dear old wife. But when the greedy neighbor heard of it, जब वो उसका नेबर था वो कैसा था? ग्रीडी, लोभी. He took some of the magic as and went out on the highway. There he waited until a Daimonian's train came along, and instead of kneeling down like crowd, he climbed with a cherry tree. जब उसने सुना कि क्या आया है हाईवे पे, मैजिक. When the Daimyo himself was almost directly under him, he threw a handful to ash over the tree, which did not change a particle. The wind blew the fine dust in the nose and eyes of the Daimyo and his wife. Such sneezing and choking! It spoiled all the pomp and dignity of the processions. Then beating him soundly, he left him for dead. Thus the wicked old man died in the mud, but the kind friend of the dog dwelt in peace and plenty, and both he and his wife lived green old age. लास्ट में क्या हुआ था? ग्रेड एंड एनवी विकेट मैन लेड हिम टू मिसरेबल. क्या हो गई उसकी? डेथ. एंड वेयर्स द काइंड फ्रेंड ऑफ द डॉग टुगेदर विथ हिज वाइफ लिव्ड इन पीस, and they lived for many years and enjoy health and prosperity throughout. Okay, and then I will write a question answer MCQ blank. Okay, and send you a PDF. Please you will write in your English notebook. Okay, thank you.